on YouTube right now. All right, so we're on Twitch and YouTube. Hopefully, we don't get too much copyright strikes. If we do, you know the drill. Video will get taken down and have to take the edit the music, and then it'll come back. But yes. All right, so just give me a second while I check some stuff. All right, so that's good there. We are good on Twitch. So let's get started, people. Again, you can go to learnpython.org. I should have the website in the description, so you all can code along with me, because you can enter command codes in on the webpage and learn with me. So we're on modules and packages. Let's get started. Oh, before we get started, people, we must give thanks to Luigi in the back. Luigi, say hello. Anyway, let's go. Let's start the music, people. Hopefully it's not going to be too loud. Hopefully it's just right. We can all sit back, relax, chill. I'm not going to be talking too much from here on forward, people. I always say that, but I end up doing it anyways. Hopefully, let's make sure you can see the page. And no, you can't. All right, there we go, people. All right, so. And we're going to sit back, relax, enjoy the music. You all can follow along, or you can go ahead of me if I'm going too slow. We might waste a lot of time just thinking about stuff if we're right or wrong, and probably Googling some stuff if we're not too sure. But let's get started, people. Let's start the music. All right, let's go. I'm gonna get a copyright strike. I'm pretty sure, but we don't care about that. All right, modules and packages. Again, I might talk a lot. I might not talk a lot. I might say something here and there. Just go with the flow, I guess. And this song is Quan on Arrive in Ville by Finn. Fin. All right, back to learning, people.
Tout ce qu'on veut, c'est être heureux avant d'être Dieu. On prend tout ce qu'on peut prendre en attendant que ton arrive en vie.
All right. So we're working on modules, talking about modules, how they're pretty much like something that you wanted to do. You can have multiple ones doing a certain task, I guess you could say, or function, or certain what? They have a certain thing they're supposed to be doing. Anyways, a module is what you want all the components of something to do. Maybe you don't want this big, big module with a whole bunch of stuff and a whole bunch of code everywhere. You want to break it apart, make this module do this, make this module move the left leg, make this module move the right leg, right? Who knows? Okay, this better explain it. So, yeah, it's just a Python file pretty much, where you can have, like it says here, you can have functions, classes, and all that good stuff. So again, this is learnpython.org. As you can see, we're at a portion right now, or section of the page where we can start running some code. We can actually type extra stuff in there if we want and play around with it. And but yeah, let's see how it goes. This is just giving us an example of what we just learned, or what we just read, and this is an example of that. So there's nothing new. Just click run. Oh, there's nothing to run. It's just showing you what the Python file will look like, or the module. This is a module. This is a module. So that makes, I used to get confused about that, right? I used to think that a file.py was just the file. I didn't know that was actually a module. It makes perfectly sense though, right? When you think about it. Duh. EyeaTeah Jonny. Come on, EyeaTeah Jonny. You should know this. All right, let's see what we got, people. Let's get serious now. Can y'all hear me? They're just giving an explanation of the few lines right here of how they could be used with each other. You wanna come over? That's it right there. The game.py. So what it's saying, people, is like this. If you look at this file right here, or this module, let's say it correctly, people. This module pretty much can call a function from this module right here, and it can call this function within this module for whatever it needs to do. So I guess it would be like import draw.py, or no, from draw.py import draw_game, I guess. Modules are imported from other modules using the import command. Okay, yeah, that's right. In this example, the game.py script may look something like this. Oh, wait, hold up, people. The last song, Natural Cause, was by... Oh, that's this song. The last song, Toluca Lake, was by Tepno, just to let you know. This song right here is Natural Cause by Emancipator. Let's continue, people. Now let's see what they show us for this example right here. I'm not even. I'm supposed to be learning, y'all. What am I doing? Let's go. All right, so I told y'all we relaxing. We're just enjoying the time while we learn Python. If y'all going ahead of me, by all means. This song is just like, I'm gonna get a copyright strike after. Woo! Go slow mo. Let's go. Anyways. Okay, so when you do the import, of course, you don't need the .py. So import draw. Okay, because draw.py is the module, so we're importing that module. Now I gotta sit and think, people. Let me look at this real quick. We got it, people. So what's going on here is we all know that draw, if I can find my mouse, we all know that draw is the module. So that's the draw.py file. This is just a function, whatever you want it to be. This is a play game function. This is the main function. It's saying result equals this function here, right? But then it says draw, which we imported this module with the import command. Draw.draw game, because draw or draw.draw underscore game with the result, which would be the play game. But of course, they're not going to type a whole game in it right now. It's just an example, right? But anyways, what's going on here, people, is turn it up a little bit. Is that what's going on here? Is that this draw underscore game is a function from this module, and you can call it by the dot. As we see here, draw underscore game is a function of draw.py. So that's how we call a function from a module inside of another module, pretty much. Hey, that's pretty good. We ain't had to type in no code yet, people. We just push and run. It's gonna be Nice and smooth, easy one right here. I'm not having to think too much on this one. And if name equals main, so run it up. Y'all know how that goes. Sort of. It still can get confusing. But I don't think we actually went over it yet in this, on all the lessons I've been doing so far, so I don't want to dig too deep into that. Because I'm screwed up anyways if I try to explain it. What, they want me to do something? Oh, okay, it's just an example. I mean, I don't know what they're trying to... Oh, they're just saying what it might look like. Draw game. Clear screen. Screen. An example, the game module imports the draw module. Again, people, I'm not going to be talking all the time. Sometimes I'm reading. Just read along. If you're ahead, then, you know, either wait or I'll catch up with you when I catch you, right? Again, this is learnpython.org. It's a free website. I'm just learning Python and you all are following along. All right. And this is Starlit Sky by Thomas Lemaire and Andreas Bach. Get that posture right, people. No curved backs tonight. Be sitting there like the slouch, not slouch. What's that? Hunchback, like the hunchback. Again, just read along with these people. Just read along. So, pretty much is more a little deeper explanation on what goes on and how to import modules, and how to use functions from those modules, and ways, sort of explaining how to use it earlier, and going over how the Python interpreter looks for, when you use an import command, it pretty much looks in the directory or whatnot for for that particular module, and if you can't find it, I think it said it starts parsing like the modules themselves for functions of that name or something like that. Let's go up and make sure that's what it said, people. Okay, then he'll look for built-in modules. All right, so yeah, so let's continue. Okay, so now they're showing us how we can import that function by itself and only that function by using from draw import draw underscore game. So instead of importing the whole module, we're just gonna pull that function from that module. And that would be helpful if it's a really, really big file. We might skip this song, people, because I think this is a big song, like a we'll just skip forward. This is Lost in Space by Emmett Fenn. I just skip forward because I think that's like I believe that's a pretty famous song. So I definitely probably will get copyright for that if I keep playing that one. So we're just gonna skip it. It's gonna be an easy one, people. I'm not having to type too much code in at all. It's mainly just examples of This is Empty Love by Submotion Orchestra featuring Ed Thomas. We'll be back, people. Give us a couple seconds. There we go. I like this too. I'm gonna add this to the list. Wait a minute. Never mind. Well. So we can import all the modules if we just use it with the star.
All the lights on the waves swallow me in the great blue wonder. Will you even care? Goodbye.
Yeah, we adding this. Didn't realize we weren't up. But we're back now, people. I've never seen that before. Not like I've seen like a lot of coding like that, but I'm just saying. So that's pretty cool how you could do that. So say, you know, you have like the sales shows right here, people. Hopefully that's, I think it's 50 or 100% in. Yeah, I'm zoomed in 300%, so I think that's good enough. Hope y'all can see that. If not, this is learnpython.org. We are on modules and packages. It's a free website. At least this portion of the website. I don't know if they have other portions that you have to pay for. I'm not sure. We'll check in the future. But anyways, we're pretty much close to halfway there. We're not halfway there yet. Looking at the scroll bar. This sounds like some Portishead. but it's not. But it's groovy. So that's pretty cool. I know it makes sense that you could do it though, obviously. If visual mode, then use the draw. Draw visuals. Else, draw text. And then you can have draw, and then draw that draw game. It's not going to come back with nothing, people, because there's no real code in there. It's just for show, which is crazy because this is the first lesson we've had where we literally have not had to enter any real code in yet, but this is a long lesson. This one, we're not even halfway there yet. We're still like, it's a pretty long lesson for not to have any code we have to enter in to, test out. Yeah. Or at least to not have any code to where we run and it actually pops out with actual results. Let's put it that way. And this is 6 Underground by Sneaker Pimps. I like this part. It's just like, yo, give me the mic. Yo, check it. I be on the Python. I'm trying to learn some. Give me some code. Which way we going to go? For evil, for good? We ain't going to be freestyling anytime. We'll do it again. Let's continue, people. Oh, shoot. They keep doing this to me, man. It's going to be a long lesson today. Why they doing this, man? Shoot, come on now. Why y'all doing this? I can't keep doing it. I'm trying to learn here. People. This has Gotta Be Love by Joey Youngman. Just going to add us to the list, people. You know how we do it. All right, let's get back to it, people. This is like a 90s, man. Like a 90s uppity vibe. And you're just like... That's why we just learning Python and relaxing, people. We chilling. Relaxing. We gonna do a video tomorrow too, during the day, so people can learn. Actually, depending on how busy I am at work, I am working remotely right now, so that's good at least, right? Let's get back to it, people. Can you hear me? All right, cool. Let's get back to it, people. I was in the zone, people. I was like just enjoying the music, feeling that vibe. It's like, yeah. All right, that was did I say it? Yeah, I already said it. So no matter what, once you import a module, Python initializes it and it is only loaded once. So it will not be loaded twice, even if another function somewhere else calls or if another module in your code imports. Okay. But if you import multiple modules and other modules import a function or whatever from another module, then it'll only import it once if multiple modules that you have imported import that module. Yeah, it can get kind of confusing, people, but we understand what they're trying to say. So let's do it like this, people. So let's say we have, right? Sometimes we break it down, people. If I think I know what we're talking about, EyeaTeah Jonny try to break it down for you. If I'm wrong, then give me the L. All right, let's go. So what we have here, people, is module A, right? Then we got module B, right? Module B. Then we got module C. So let's say module A, right? Let's say module A calls a function from module C, right? Boom. But module 2 or B also wants to call something from module C. So now they both want it. See, it's in the middle. What they're saying is it doesn't matter if these two modules on the outside are calling something from this module on the inside within your own script, right? It's saying no matter what, Python's only going to load it once because it's a singleton. Son. Boom. We learning, baby. We learning. Actually, but yeah, people, this is like the first one I can remember so far to where I haven't had to, when we click the run button to where it actually has an output or something that we can look over and, probably want to play with. This has literally just been examples. That's it. So, and reading. So, you guys haven't seen me mess up yet today. Haha, we're going to have 100% if it keeps going like this. And this is Anthem by The Emancipator. Woo. Okay. Just give an example to show this how you could use have multiple functions or call in a module, but it's not gonna load it twice. Here we have main screen equals screen to equal this screen, but then we'll call a main screen up here from clear screen. All right, so he's calling main screen, who's calling screen, who's calling screen. Even though we're calling screen every time, it's not going to initialize it more than once. Of course, you can't run it because there's nothing to return or nothing to actually run. There's going to be some errors. I can assure you that. I guess they're not caring for us to really. I guess this is more of an over or knowledge right here for this particular lesson. So, because we still haven't really had to look at any code yet being run. So usually all the Python modules and things of that nature are stored at a certain location, but based off of what they're saying here is you can add other they call it environment variables, which is pretty much specifying the path of the directory for more modules that you have or that you want to load, I guess. And you can add more directories. Pretty much what they're trying to say. You don't only have to have just one location. So I'm guessing that means you could probably have like remote locations at like over the internet and stuff like that, possibly as well. Connect to like databases online and cloud services, just like hotlink it. Of course, you had to have like keys and all that probably, but different ball game, right? This will execute. So you can also looks like run it inside your script, which is command right here: sys.path.append, and then the path of the directory or file or a folder with the modules that you want to load. So why not? We're going to look at these built-in functions right here. Why not? This song's kind of loud. At least to me it is. This is Sun in Your Eyes by Above and Beyond. That's a lot. So that's just a list of the built-in modules in Python that's already there. That's a lot, people. Let's go back to it and see real quick. It's a lot. I actually just saw one that I was actually just learned about myself that I'm using for a project that I'm working on. Where is it at? It's async IO. I thought I saw it. Oh, did I just pass it? Yeah. I just want to see what it looks like. All right. Anyways, let's continue, people. This is Haze by Nihils or Nihils. Okay, that's cool. They're just showing us how to use a function from a module, pretty much right here. Open up a URL. That's what this one does. But what I say was interesting is you can actually list what a module has, the function that they have with the directory command. So directory and help. All right. Now we can run this command. It's the first one we were able to run and get a reply. Well, it ain't working for me. They must not allow everything to be run on here. Writing pad. Saying a specific file called okay, so for it to be considered an actual package in Python, it must have which in this case is pretty much just a directory. It's saying that in the inside of that directory, it must have a file that is named __init__.py for it to actually be considered a Python package. And it's saying it could be an empty file as well. So Okay, so that okay. I've seen this before, and I was always confused about dot. Why dot? So that means that when there's a dot, that means foo is a package, which means it's a directory. So you're saying from that directory, pull this module. So could you have like more directories inside a directory? Be like foo.foo 2.foo 3 dot bar maybe? Yeah? No? From foo or from foo import bar. Okay, so either way is good, right? This is Nostalgia by Melanense. Or Melicence. And what it's saying right here pretty much is just saying that when we do the foo.bar, we have to use foo.bar throughout the rest of the code. But when we do it the from foo import bar, we don't have to do that. We can just use bar because we're importing it into our own namespace. Pretty what they're saying. We'll be back shortly, people. There we go. Okay, this one I'm kind of confused on. Okay, give me a second. Wait, what? They gonna throw it on me like this? Oh man, I need some water. Now they want me to do something, huh? All right, let's go, people. We know what we gotta do. We gotta get hydrated first. Sounds like the right music at the right time, people. You know what that means. It's time to get busy. What we got? Okay, we back. Wait, was the sound messed up this whole time? I hope not. I need to change these cables out. My cable's messed up. This is Concept 10 by Kodomo. That's what they wanted to do. Let's see. In this exercise, you will need to print an alphabetically sorted list of all functions in the RE module, which contain the word. Wait, what? I don't understand that part. In this exercise, you will need to print an alphabetically sorted list Yes, I get that part. Oh, shoot. Okay, that's what it wants. What? What do you mean contain the word find? Oh, wait, no, I know how to do this. We gotta, oh, what's that shit? I forgot what it was called. Directory, yeah. Wait, no, we don't do that. Man, why ain't mine's print? Mine's in print. I knew I typed it in right. I did type it in right. They're trying to get me. Oh, let's do this. Oh, let's do test 2. There we go. Ooh, what we getting to, people? We know what we doing. Look at that. Come on now. We on the path to success, baby. No, we not, are we? Come on. What we got next with the song? Give me some. All right, so I think I know how to do this, people. So, wait, do we have to... Wait a minute. I want to see something real quick. Now, this one said with the word, which contain the word find. I don't see anything in here with the word find. And I don't really even know what they mean by that. Okay, find. Oh. Okay, I see what they're saying now. But I don't know how do we pull... I don't know how you would pull... I guess I could do this. This is Hypertension by Karuchat. Anyways, I think I might know how I can do this. For Finder in For Finder in the test 2, Um, we can then say for Finder in test 2, um, all right, find me equals, oops, look at that. Oh wait, no. That's not gonna work. Do it once. Okay, yeah, okay, never mind, I got it. I think I know what to do. Find T. How the hell can you do that in Python? Hold on a second. Have we ever? Let me see. Let me Google something quick. Python. Ah. This container were fine. Oh. And this is soon it will be cold enough to build fires by the Emancipator. So what we got, people? I'm trying to think of this. I guess I could do like zero, 1, 2, 3. Oh, okay. This is Cinderella by Instupendo. Oh wait, no, that's right. I got it, but it said it was wrong though. Am I missing something? Oh, yeah, that's it. Oh, that's right. I got to put them in alphabetical order. But we got that. Hey, people, we did it. So we're going to go over what we did. Hey. We learning, people. We learning. It's been 2 weeks, people. So, you know, I had to dig deep. I had to dig deep down there and get something out. Woo! Now we back to normal, people. Hey, let's go. Let's go. Ah. I just got to get alphabetical now. I forgot how to do that. I know we went over that, I think, before. Ooh, I can't believe I got it, people. Ooh. That's probably not the best way to write the code, but hey, you know, we'll roll with it, people. We'll roll with it. I was like, why is it not working? I was like, oh, 0 through 4. Because remember, we start at 0. Where we at? Where we at? All right, we're there. All right, so we start at 0. Right? At first, I had 3 in there because I was thinking 0, 1, 2, 3. F-I-N-D. We good to go, baby. We good. But then I forgot the last one gets cut off. So now it only leaves us with 0, 1, 2, F-I-N. So it didn't match anything that it was supposed to match. With that being said, we know why it chops off the last one, because it's better for something mathematically on the back end, you know, under all the surface, all the, you know, stuff. But anyways, it makes it more efficient, pretty much. That's why it does it. But now we got to make it. I'm just gonna look, because I forgot how to do it. I know it's dot sort, but I don't know what the freaking, what you call it is. Or sort, I'm not sure which one. Not like that site. Oh, here we go. W3 Schools is a pretty good website to go to for, like, you know, on the fly learning and help. for like examples and stuff like that you could use. Oh, we gonna get that copyright strike, people. We gonna get that. Matter of fact, let me see how YouTube is doing right now. We're still up on YouTube, so we ain't took in the L yet. I want to see all the sorted. You know what? What am I playing? Let's just do this. Python sorted. Let's just go to the actual documentation and see. That's what we're trying to learn, people. How to read the documentation, how to figure it out. Let's do this. Official documentation, I believe. So, I don't see how you're supposed to do F. Hold on a second. Where's my question at? Okay, so finish running. I don't know, it's taking my stuff so long to load, but it is. Alright, let's see. Okay. Still loaded. Not sure what's going on with that. Did I break it? Did I break the website? Oh shoot. What's going on, people? I think I broke the website. I don't know what just happened. Still streaming, so I know the internet's good. Okay, here we go. Hope my code's still in there. Looks like it. I don't know what just happened. Maybe I got too many web pages open. Too many pages maybe running code. I don't know. I was running smooth ever since I closed the other pages. Maybe that's what it was. Too many pages open that were running Python code. I don't know. Alright. Oh. Oh man, come on, man. Oh my goodness. All that for nothing. What did I do again? Alright, we had alright, find them equals this. Right, and then we had for find them, no, found them for finder in re if finder 0 to 4, oops, 0 to 4 equals find in found them dot append finder. Alpha S equals, oops, sorted, found them, oops, reverse equals false. Print alpha S, and this song is banging. I'm liking this. I'm like, oh yeah. What? Oh, that's right. For Finder in DIR, that is iterable. Oh my gosh. Can't even spell right. We got it. Because if I put true here, TRE, oops, EE. Oh no, that didn't matter. Oh. Yeah, okay, we got it, people. Wait, let's reload this page. Something ain't right. I don't think I got it all. I just copied my code. I don't have to write it again. What? That should be right, yeah? There's only 2. Hold on, let's see. Let's see. Find all, find that, find iter, or find iter, find all. That's all we'll find in it. Yeah. Well, let's look at their solution, because I guess this will work too right here. If find in member. Yeah, that works too. Actually, that's probably even better. Let's see how many they get. Man, that's what I did. Oh, they want you to do the code. How they, man, look, we had the same output, people. How we had it, same output. So we got the output we needed. Wait, was it a list though? Maybe that's what's wrong with it. Yeah, it was a list. So anyways, people, we finished this video finally. This one's kind of drawn out because we didn't have to really run too much, well, code at all, really, besides like the last 2. But anyways, people, that's it for this video. It's EyeaTeah Jonny, relaxing, listening to music, and learning Python at the same time. We're just gonna let the song play out, and then from there we'll be done. Yeah, that's it. So we got it right, people. We took the long way around to get there, but we got there, people. We got there. But I'm glad, honestly, I'm glad though. We were pretty much on the right path. Well, we were on the right path. We got it right. We got what we needed, right? Yeah, we got what we needed. So false is the default actually. So I actually didn't even need this code right here, because false is already the default. So I could have just did this, and it would have been good with that. But for some reason, when I run my code, I get an error. Oh, that's why. I didn't know. Wait, no. So that's why I got it wrong. I didn't define a variable find members, but I didn't know that was a requirement. So we'll just do this.
The tide is right to change your mind, to go
Okay, so I didn't have the function named the right. I didn't have the variable named the right name. I had mine. I made up a name for it. I didn't know that they didn't say that in the instructions though. Yeah, it just says in this exercise you would need to print an alphabetically sorted list of all functions in the RE module which contain the word find. Nowhere in there does it say, you need to use this variable. So that's their mess up, not mine's, people. But anyways, we got it either way. This is Like Water by Christian Lafleur featuring Mona. Can y'all even hear me? I don't think y'all can hear me at all. I need to change this cable out. I need to change this cable out. We're just gonna let the song play out since we're finished though. But if y'all to hear what I was just saying, so I had the code right pretty much. I wrote mine a little differently than what the actual solution is, but we got the same output. The reason why I was getting the error was because I didn't call out this variable to be this exact name, but nowhere in the instructions does it say that your variable has to be called find members. I called mine found them, but that's the only difference. But other than that, we got the same output, which was this right here. So but that's it, people. We're gonna let the song play out. We're finished with it, with this lesson. Again, we did modules and packages, and we'll see what we got next. This is the last lesson on the main page under the, well, let's just go check. So this is the basics of Python, and we just finished the last lesson and learned the basics. So either I'm going to continue with this website and go to data science tutorials, which is obviously way above what we're doing right now. We might just do that next. Why not, right? 'Cause I'm actually using pandas in my other course, in NumPy. I can't use that course on here because it's a paid course, so I can't get that content out for because this is a free site, so I can get this content out when I give it out, but go over it while I'm live streaming. But that's it, people. EyeaTeah Jonny, and we are out.